Get ready for a mind-blowing close-up. Nature just painted a living masterpiece. Meet the Harlequin Flower Moth, a tiny explosion of color hiding in plain sight. Stick around, because what looks like fragile beauty is actually one of nature's chemical warriors. In extreme close-up, every detail stuns. A mosaic of red, black, and cream across its delicate wings. Its compound eyes shimmer like polished glass, while the antennae sweep the air like twin radar systems. Beneath the soft scales, this moth hides a secret power: toxic alkaloids from the plants it feeds on. Predators learn quickly. One bite, and they'll never try again. Scientists study this as a model of chemical recycling, proof of nature's hidden genius. Watch as it unfurls its wings in slow motion, revealing a living billboard of danger. And yet, despite its defenses, it's also a pollinator, quietly connecting wildflowers across meadows and dunes. So next time you see a flash of red and white, remember, it's not just a moth. It's proof that beauty and power often come in the smallest packages. Follow for more hidden wonders of the insect world.